Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to play silver bells on the piano without reading music. Let's take a listen. City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, dressed in holiday style. In the air there's a feeling of Christmas. All right, guys. I'm Shawn of webpianoteacher.com, and welcome. This is where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to learn to play piano online. You can do it. You just have to pick the right lessons and you have to know how to practice. That's what I'm here for. Webpianoteacher.com is my website. I have thousands and thousands of lessons on there for you. Even if you are a complete beginner, I got you covered. All right, but we're going to do this Christmas lesson today, Silver Bells, and I'm going to switch my camera angle here since my beautiful wife usually switches it for me, but she's not here today. So I'll switch it myself. I love this arrangement because you can do it as a piano solo with melody in the right hand, but it also works with if you're doing a sing-along. People can sing along with it. It's written, those old crooner Christmas songs that we all know and love that were all written years ago, but they're still the most popular ones today. All right, so as we get into this, we have left hand on a C, below middle C, okay? There we go. So C, G with our two finger, and then C with our thumb. All right, left hand is always the conductor of what we're playing. It's the foundation. So, bum, bum. It doesn't come in at the beginning, but that's what you do there. Go ahead and practice it and get it ready. You can practice holding down the pedal for that. Okay? All right, got that down. Now the right hand has the melody. Does it start with city sidewalks or busy sidewalks? I can't remember. Bum, 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 bum. All right, now the right hand is the same on the second measure. Look at that. So, all right, we already can play the second one after we play the first one. We'll start on a C above middle C. There's the middle C, come up here. Fifth finger, then the A on our third finger, D and G on our thumb and our two finger, and then an E. So, bum, bum, bum. Notice how I get my fingers already over the keys before I start. That helps me, okay? Instead of having to find everything, I try to start with my fingers over the keys I'm going to need to play. If I put my left hand with it, bum, bum, bum. Go. City sidewalks. So I play that together and I play that together. All right, so we always say learn, play, share here. What does that mean with the learn? We're doing the learn part right now, where you take small pieces, get it down, learn another small piece, get it down, and then tie them together. I've found that's the best way to learn things. Instead of trying to learn the whole song at once or just struggle through and limp through the whole thing, that's just not very satisfying. Set yourself up for success. Take one measure, get that one measure down. All right? And when you get it down, you try the next measure. And, great, because the right hand's the same. The left hand is not. So let's look what the left hand has. A, E, C. 5, 2, 1. Okay? Like that. So we got our minor chord there. So, on the left hand, you don't have to reach that, even if you can, because some of you have large hands, some small hands, some in the middle, but you don't have to reach it. You can just use that two finger to pivot on that E to get there. Okay, so, bum, 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 bum. Once we have that down, then we can try them together. Let's try to start at the beginning and see if we can do two measures. Go. Now, whatever method you use, or you use my lessons, which I'm, hope you use mine, but even if you don't, this can still work for you. Small pieces, learning that, and then tying those small pieces together, and then growing the piece as you go through it. And you'll memorize it as you go along. You have a lot more success and confidence that way. All right. You can change your pedal on the second measure. You can start it here on the left hand and then change it when the left hand changes the chord from C to A minor. So C chord, A minor. My foot went up and down. I think you can see that on the video. I normally have it about right there. All right. All right, so all right, so there's our part one. We do finish it, of course, on the website, webpianoteacher.com, along with many, many other Christmas lessons on there. And you need to start now learning that, because the time to play Christmas songs is to start learning them is not when Christmas gets here, but before that time, okay? You got to be ready in advance. Hope you guys enjoyed that part one lesson. Talk to you later.